Hey guys, this is a 2003 Honda Accord, and I was going to show you quickly how you reset the maintenance required light. So let me show you what light I'm talking about here. It's that top one right there, the one that's flashing. Actually, it's not, it's solid now. It's that yellow one. It says maintenance required. If we start the car, it's actually pretty solid, not the one that's flashing, it's the top one. And what I want to do is I want to show you how to reset it on a 2003 Honda Accord. So you got 0, 1, 2, 3. We need to be at 2. So what you need to do is go to 2, and then what you need to do is hold this while you are turning this to keep holding, turn it back to 0, and then keep holding, go back to 2, and keep holding for about 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds is over. We're gonna release, and we're gonna start the car. And the top light is gone. There you go. Thank you very much for watching.